Hello explorers, welcome back to Forever Vacation, your ultimate travel guide. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our exciting travel adventures. Today we're taking you to the stunning Kelingking Beach in Bali, a place that's sure to take your breath away. So grab your sunscreen, put on your adventure hat and let's jump right into the beauty of this tropical paradise. Planning to visit Bali? Ever heard of the stunning Kelingking Beach? Buckle up wanderers, because today we're diving into the crystal clear waters, the pristine white sand, in the tropical sun of this hidden gem in Nusa Penida, Bali. First things first, when should you plan your trip? The ideal time to visit Kelingking Beach on Penida is between June to September. During these months, you'll be met with less rain and more sunshine, creating the perfect weather to relish the beach. Now that we have the timing sorted out, let's figure out how to get there. You can go to Nusa Penida from Sanur Port, or by taking the tour with us. Once you arrive at Nusa Penida, our driver will guide you along the winding roads leading to Kelingking Beach. Remember to keep your eyes wide open for the breathtaking views along the way. What should you pack, you ask? Light clothing, beachwear, a towel, good sunscreen, and a hat should top your list. Don't forget a sturdy pair of shoes for the steep hike down to the beach, and a refillable water bottle to stay hydrated. Safety should always be a priority. The path to the beach is quite steep, so tread carefully. Stay vigilant while swimming as the currents can be strong. While you're there, respect the local customs. Dress modestly when you're not on the beach and always remember to leave no trace behind. After a day of fun and sun, satisfy your hunger with some local delicacies. Try the succulent grilled fish, the spicy sambal mata, or the refreshing es kelapa muda. Trust us, your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Kelingking Beach. With Forever Vacation, your dream vacation is just a booking away. We are not just about showing you new places, but about creating experiences of a lifetime. Visit our website or call us to plan your next adventure. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a peace seeker, we have a vacation plan for everyone. So the next time you think of a beach vacation, think Forever Vacation. Can't wait to help you make your dream vacation a reality. See you in Bali.